Hi everybody, welcome to E! Prime for this evening. My name is Daedran.
Reggae legend Buju Banton to make his first performance in the United States after 13 years. The Grammy-winning artist is taking his Long Walk to Freedom concert to the UBS Arena in New York this July. This news follows closely on the heels of a report filed by E! Prime early this month that saw the official return of the singer to the US in almost a decade. Banton's Long Walk to Freedom concert was first held at the National Stadium back in 2019. This after his release from the McRae Correctional Facility in Georgia in 2018, where he was incarcerated for a total of 10 years on charges of conspiracy to possess with the intent to distribute cocaine.
A roller coaster of emotions is how Steph London is describing her debut album, Island 54. The 20-track project is set for release this June and boasts a feature from reggae icon Buju Banton. Previously, the British Jamaican rapper only released 2 mixtapes, making this her very first studio album. In a video posted to her Instagram page, Steph London shared that the project has been a roller coaster of emotions.
Making this album has been a roller coaster of emotions. It's taken about 3 years. I made about 200 to 300 songs and we narrowed it down to 20 songs. There's stuff that I talk about that is very personal to me and I don't feel like I've ever opened up like that before. For me, it's all about winning and achieving that goal. Making this album, it was about giving it my all and not settling and not just saying okay to stuff and making sure that every song that's on there I can 100% back it. This is an amazing piece of work. It's not mediocre to me, it's like great. It's thoughtful, it's sincere, it's honest, it's real, and it's true to who I am.
The album was previously scheduled to be released last year. I apologize for the inconvenience this has caused, says American rapper Nicki Minaj, following the postponement of her show in Manchester in the United Kingdom. This after her arrest in the Netherlands on Saturday. The rapper, who was set to perform in Manchester, had to cancel the show after she was held on suspicion of exporting drugs. She was fined £350 by Dutch police and allowed to continue her journey. Announcing that she would now play the Manchester venue next Monday, she posted to social media platform X that she is apologetic for the inconvenience this has caused, and she really hopes that ticket holders for the Manchester leg of her Pink Friday 2 tour will be able to make the June 3 staging. The show is slated to happen on the same day of her arrest. According to the rapper, she spent 5 to 6 hours in custody before being allowed to fly from Amsterdam's Schiphol airport. Dutch prosecutors said Minaj was carrying 30 to 100 grams of cannabis, but Minaj said the pre-rolls belonged to her security guard. It is technically against the law to possess, sell, or produce drugs in the Netherlands, but the country operates a policy of tolerance towards the sale and possession of small amounts of some drugs. Venting, the Red Ruby the Sleeves rapper posted to X that she will have her lawyers and God handle the situation, adding that the authorities sure know how to hurt her, but this too shall pass. That's it for E! Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.